Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A56 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps. Now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on special access. Here we have to enter install unknown apps. And as you can see, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And of course, you can change it. So for example, we can allow Chrome to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, if you want to, you can remove previously granted permissions. Simply tap on the switcher manually, or if you've got more than one, simply tap on deny all to turn off all of them. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.